यार yes. So in the last class, what you have seen, how to represent the numbers according to the Indian numeration system. As you know, there are two types of numeration systems are there. One is Indian numeration system. Second is international. In the last class, what you have seen that how to represent the different numbers according to the Indian numeration system. In the Indian numeration system, suppose take one example: 2, 8, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6. So in the Indian numeration system, the how the periods are coming. First period or first comma is put after the 3 digit. So first comma is coming here. This is the ones, tens, hundred. Now ones, tens, hundred. Again this number, thousand, and so take any other number: 2, 8, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So first comma you are putting after 3 digit. Then after every 2 digit you have to put the comma. So in this one, this place is known as ones, this is tens, this is hundred, and after that ones, tens, hundred, again thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, then accordingly 10 crore. So this is the way of doing the numbers according to the Indian system, and first you put the comma and after that you read. So this number is coming on which place? Crore place. So this you will read 4 crore. After that tens, 10 lakhs. So on the place of 10 lakhs, 2 is coming and lakhs 8 is coming. So total you can read 28 lakhs. 4 crore, 28 lakhs. Then this is 24,000. 24,000. So 24,578. 578. 4 crore 28 lakhs 24,578. So this way you read the Indian system. Now in the Indian system, ones, tens, hundred, after 100, each two digits are having. Now this one, the next period comes for the thousand. Here after that lakhs, then crore, then later on. So we will learn, see how in the international system what are the different periods. International system. Here also first three periods coming ones, tens and hundred. Same way as in the Indian system. So this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundred place. After 100, here directly it is coming the thousand place. Thousand place, here suppose any number is here, so this is thousand place. After this one, 10,000 place. Again here it is coming 100,000. But in the Indian system there is no place of 100,000. But in this international system 100,000 comes. After 100,000, directly it is coming. First ones, tens, hundreds. After that, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then after 100,000, which number comes? Directly it comes million. Then after 10 million, then 100 million. Again after 100 million, billion comes. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. After that trillion comes. So this way here, if you have to put the comma according to the international system, so first comma you will put after the 3 digit, and again every 3 digit you have to put the next comma. Suppose write any number 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. This number you have to read according to the international system. So before reading, you put the comma. So once, tens, hundred, first comma will come here. After that, after every 3 digits you will put. In the Indian system, after the 3 digits, two digits. After two digits, you are putting the comma. But in this one, 3 digit, again 3 digit, again 3 digit. This way. Now read this number. Now this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is the period of millions. So how much it is? 245 million. This is coming how much? 245 million. 789,234. So it will be read as 245 million because this is coming 100 million place. This is thousand. This is million. This is 10 million. So 245 million 789,234. So this is the way of reading the different numbers in international system. Take any number 2531786. 2531786. This you have to put the comma and after that read according to the international system. So here this way you will put the comma. This is read now. Here on which place it is coming? 3 place. This is the 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So in the last, on which period? The 2 is coming on million. So 2,531,000. This is the million place and this is the 1000 place and this is 100, tens and ones. So accordingly 2,531,786. So same practice you have to do. Any number of any digits, if it is written, first put the comma. And comma you will put each after every 3 digit. हर 3 digit के बाद comma यहाँ पे रखो and after that you read according to this one. So this can be read 2,531,786. Next number, suppose it is given 13275,196. 13275,196. So same way, put the comma and after that read as international system. So in the international system, first comma is coming here, then each after 3 digit you put the comma. Now just read here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then again million comes. Million, 10 million. So this is read million place 13 million. 13 million 275,196. 13 million 275,196. Suppose in this one any other number, suppose here 4 is also here. 413275196. So what you will read now? 413 million. This is 3 पीरियड तक मिलियन पढ़ा जाएगा. 3 million, 13 million and 413 million. So 413 million 275,196. Again, suppose any other number is there. Suppose 8413275,196. Put the comma 3 places. Here, this is the 1000 place, this is the million place. After million, the billion comes. So what you will read? 8,413,275,196. Clear? So take the any other number. 10532750. 550. So this number you have to read according to the international system. So put the comma after 3 period here. So this is the ones, tens, 100. These 3 numbers are thousands and these 3 numbers are million place. So how much million it is? 105 million. 105,327,550. Now this number, if you have to read in Indian system, so what you will read? Suppose 105327550. In the Indian system, how you are putting the comma? After the 3 place, 2 places. In this place, this is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. In this one, 100,000 is not there. then again lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So this is 10 crore 53 lakhs 27,550. So this is the only difference for the Indian system and international system. So this way you from the book you take the different numbers and write, put the comma and accordingly write the answer of the different questions. So question number 1 you can do your own self. Different numbers are given here. So question number 2, just see, write the numeral for each of the following. Now from the number you have to write the name of the numeral. Now in the next question what is there? Name is given and by that name you will write the numbers. From the number you must be able to write the name and from the name you must be able to write the numerals. So in first question from the number you are writing the name. Now the names are given here and you have to write the, suppose write the numeral for each. 4,223,000. Question number 1, 4 million 23,600. हेलो, हाँ गुड इवनिंग, कौन? हाँ बोलो। क्लास ले रहे हैं अभी, बाद में बात करना, अभी क्लास चल रहा है। हाँ हाँ, खेलना है, स्क्वाड नहीं किया क्या? प्रेरणा तो क्या? सो 4,223,640 646. This number, now write this number. So this number 4 million. So for your convenience you can put the zeros, ones, tens, 100, after that 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now it is coming 4 million. So on the place of, this is the million place. So 4 million on the place of million you write 4, put the comma, 4,223,000. These are the 223,000. 223, this is the 1,000 place. After that 646. 646. So from this you have to write the number. From the number name you write the numbers, and from the numbers you have to write the this. So both practice you have to do. Second question, 70 million. 70 million, suppose you have to write 70 million. So 70 million. In million how many zeros are coming? Now just you have seen. This is the place of million. So 336 place. So put the 6 zero. 6. This is, put the comma. So this is 70 million. So 70 million you can write this way. So question number 2 also you can do according to the numbers. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. Now apply this and from your common sense you find out the fill the blanks. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 1 billion is equal to how many lakhs? You have to put 1 billion is equal to lakhs. You have to tell 1 billion is equal to how many. Now, for this, first write this 1 billion. So 1 billion, how will you write? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and 1 billion. This is 1 billion. Now in this number, you have to tell how many lakhs are coming. This is the international system. And from this international system, you have to convert in the lakhs. And you know that in the lakhs, how many zeros come? In the lakhs, how many zeros come? 5 zeros. So, lakhs will start 3 to 5. So, as much as you will write here, that will tell me how many lakhs are there. So, after the 5 zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the comma here. So, it is coming how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. So, 1 billion will come how much? 10 lakhs. Because in the lakhs, after the 5 zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, whatever the number you will write, so that will tell how many lakhs are there. Suppose 1, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is written. So, how many lakhs are this? After 50, whatever the number is coming, 153 lakhs. This is what you can write, 153 lakhs. Or suppose it is 50, 1, 2, 3. So after 50, whatever the digits come, now you have to convert this number into lakhs. So take the 5 digits, 3 to 5. After that, this number 10 is here. So 1 billion is equal to 10 lakhs. So here what you will put? 10 lakhs. Next number you convert. 10 crore is equal to how many million? 10 crore. Crore is coming in India system. 10 crore. Now 10 crore is equal to how many million? You have to tell. How many million? First write this number 10 crore. So 10 crore how you are writing? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. This is the 10 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. This is 10 crore. 10 crore is equal to how many million? Now this is the Indian system. Now you have to convert in million. In the million, first you find out how many zeros comes. In the million, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Here it become million. So 1 million is equal to how many? 6 zeros are coming in the 1 million. So after this one, whatever the number will come, that will be converted into the million. So this is 336. 336. So how many? This 100 million is equal to 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Clear? First write crore and after that crore, find out how many zeros comes in 1 million. So how many zeros? 6 zeros. After 6 zeros, whatever the number, suppose you have to write the 75 crore million. 75 के बाद 5 0 6 0 रखो. This can be read 75 million. Now here 336. Whatever the number, how much it is coming? 100. So 100 million. It can be read 100 million. So how much it will come? 100 million. Take any other number. 50 lakh is equal to how many million? Again, $50 lakhs is equal to how many million? First you write 50 lakhs. So 50 in the lakhs, how many zeros come? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. This is 50 lakhs. Now you have to convert in the million. So in the million, as I have told, after 3, 6 zeros are coming. 3, 3, 6. So how many million is it? 5 million. So 5 million. So it is coming 5 million. So this way you fill the blanks. The different examples are given here. So question number 3 you can read. Question number 4, write the numeral and corresponding name in the international system. As I have told you already, the different names are given. Convert in the number. Write the numeral. From the numeral you write the name. From the name you write the number. Write the given number and their number names in the Indian and international system. So this chapter is question number 6 is also so complete for the homework. Complete exercise number 1.2. So this is total for the today's. In the next class, we will solve the exercise number 1.3. Thank you.